Hello dear students, I am Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on multiply trick, which is very essential for the product of any numbers. So let's start. Here we have one number. We need to multiply 14 into 12. How we do multiply 14 into 12? Just multiply the unit digit 4 into 2, which is 8, and right here 4 into 2 8, and in the next step 14 plus unit digit of last number. So 14 plus 2 is 16, so 168 is the right answer. Let's try with another example. 16 into 11, so unit digits of each number is 6 into 1, which is 6, right here 6, and in the next step 16 plus 1, 17, so 176 is the another answers. What is the answer of 12 into 13? So please multiply the unit digit of each number. 2 into 3 is 6, so 6, right here 6, and here is the 12, and here is the unit digit 3, so 12 plus 3 is 15, so 156 is the answer of 12 into 13. And last option is, what is the sum of 19 into 11? So again unit digit is 9 into 1, which is 9, right here 9, and do the add of 19 plus 1, which is equal to 20, so 209 is the right answer. This is the questions for you. What is the sum of, what is the multiplications of 12 into 11? So here is another trick for multiplications of two-digit number. We have a number 57 and 62. These two number, and we need to multiply 57 into 62. So first steps, we do linear multiplications. 7 into 2. 7 into 2, and the answer is 7 into 2 is equal to 14, so write only 4, and 1 is carryover. In the next step, we do cross multiplications of every number. So cross multiplication is 5 into 2 plus 7 into 6 plus carryover of 1. So 5 into 2 10, 6 into 7 42 plus 1, which is equal to 53. We need to write only 3, and 5 is carryover, and in the last